नमस्कार करता हूं और स्वागत करता हूं आप सभी का हमारे प्रदेश में। मेरा नाम है आदित्य झा और आप देख रहे हैं एनडीटीवी राजस्थान। तो देखिए, वर्ल्ड चेस चैंपियन डी गुकेश का वर्ल्ड चैंपियन बनने के बाद पहला इंटरव्यू एनडीटीवी ने किया है। शतरंज के शहंशाह डी गुकेश दुनिया के सबसे युवा वर्ल्ड चैंपियन हैं। सिंगापुर में इन्होंने चीन के डिफेंडिंग चैंपियन डिंग लिरेन को हराकर वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप का खिताब हासिल किया है। पेश है ये सुपर एक्सक्लूसिव इंटरव्यू।
हमारे साथ हैं वर्ल्ड चैंपियन डी गुकेश, सबसे युवा शहंशाह। बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका और बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो डी गुकेश आपको, आपकी सफलता और पूरे हिंदुस्तान का नाम आपने रोशन किया। मैं सबसे पहले तो आपसे ये जानना चाहती हूँ कि इतना शानदार आपका सफ़र रहा है, फैबुलस जर्नी। और आखिरी लम्हे में हमने देखा आपने जब जीत का वो लम्हा था, आप थोड़ा रो भी पड़े, इमोशनल भी हुए। वो आखिरी लम्हा जो था, दोज लास्ट मोमेंट्स कैसे थे वो?
Yeah, they were quite exciting and emotional. I did not expect to win that game, and yeah, when it happened, I got my emotions to full.
You say you did not expect to win that game. How did you actually manage that stress? उस वक्त बहुत स्ट्रेसफुल रहा होगा क्योंकि आपके जो ओपोनेंट थे उन्होंने पहला राउंड जो जीता था, 12वां राउंड जीता था, आपने 3rd, 11th और 14th जीता था। तो कौन था सबसे मुश्किल राउंड? Which one was the toughest for you?
Yeah, I did not expect to win that final game because the position was heading towards it, and I thought I'll just keep pushing. I'll just keep trying to win, but like objectively, should end in a draw. But when he made a mistake, it was quite a nice moment. And the most difficult game for me was to handle. I think after the losses after game 1 and game 12. But all those three nice wins were quite nice.
तो वो लम्हा जहाँ पे उन्होंने मिस्टेक किया, दैट मोमेंट, और आपने कैसे अपने माइंड को, चेस इज़ अ लॉट अबाउट माइंड गेम, राइट? इट इज़ अ माइंड गेम गुकेश। तो काम रखना खुद को, वो मिस्टेक नहीं करना, ये आपकी और बहुत सारे नौजवान युवा सब देख रहे हैं। कुछ बताएं हमें कि वो किस तरह का लम्हा था, हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट इट इज़ टू बी इन कंट्रोल एंड हाउ डू यू मैनेज?
Yeah, it's not an easy job to maintain your composure throughout the games and the tournament. And yeah, I just try my best. I do some yoga and meditation, which really helps me a lot. And I think with some experience and with some mental toughness, I am able to handle these emotions quite well. It's not easy, but with some experiences, some good habits, I think it's very much possible.
तो सबने देखा, हम लोगों ने देखा आपके गेम के दौरान कि जो माइंड गेम्स हैं वो भी काफ़ी होते हैं। जैसे बीच में किसी समय पे आप उनको वेट करने भी कहते थे, फिर अपनी आप आंखें बंद करके कुछ देर बैठते थे। उसके बारे में थोड़ा बताएं कि कैसा ये माइंड गेम्स चलता है और ओपोनेंट पे किस तरह का दबाव बनता है उससे?
Yeah, when my opponent was taking long things in the opening, I tried to close my eyes because I knew what my reply would be to his moves, and I just tried to like focus on my breathing and just stay in the moment and not put too much energy in those moments because I'll be needing those in the later parts of the game. So I yeah, there were some simple things that I tried to do, and there are always each player has their own way of dealing with different kinds of situations, and yeah, it's part of the mental side of the game is for sure very important part of the game.
अब एनी मिस्टेक्स यू मेड, कुछ गलतियां जो आपने की होंगी जब आपको लगता है, अब वर्ल्ड चैंपियन हैं आप जीते, लेकिन उस गेम के दौरान कुछ ऐसा लम्हा जब आपको लगा होगा कि ये तो गलत हो गया, यू मेड अ मिस्टेक?
Yeah, for sure. I mean, there are always mistakes happening in chess. Chess is a very beautiful and complex game. Uh, no matter how much you're experienced and no matter how strong you are, you tend to make mistakes in long games. And for sure, there were a lot of mistakes from my side. But at the end of the day, your job is to play better than your opponent. And I think in the period of the long match, I did manage to do.
तो गुकेश, आप यंगेस्ट वर्ल्ड चेस चैंपियन हैं. गैरी कैस्परोव का रिकॉर्ड आपने तोड़ा. एट 18 यू आर द वर्ल्ड चेस चैंपियन. तो ये जो जर्नी है आपकी, ये कब से शुरू हो गई थी? कितने साल की उम्र से आपने शुरू किया ये खेल?
I started very young, around 6.5, 7. I got inspired by Vishwanathan Anand sir, and when I joined when I started training chess, I slowly started to fall in love with the game, and yeah, it has been a beautiful.
So क्या था वो जिसने आपको इस गेम के लिए इतना अट्रैक्ट किया? What was it that attracted you towards the game? Why did you fall in love with this game? And कौन थे आपके inspiration? Who did you follow? किसके games आपने देखे? Any chess player who inspired you?
Yeah, sure. The thing that it attracted me to chess initially was, and still the thing that attracts me is it's how complex the game is, how you can learn everything. I mean, learn something every day. Because chess is it's a game of unlimited possibilities, and I think this curiosity that has been very important for me from the start. And I think for me, the inspiration and role model from the start has been Vishy sir, continues to be. I mean, I tried to follow in his path, and also he has become my mentor. He has become my mentor over the years, and his role has been invaluable so far.
तो विशी सर आपके इंस्पिरेशन थे, आपके मेंटर थे, आपने उनका गेम भी फॉलो किया. कौन आपके सोर्स ऑफ स्ट्रेंथ रहे लगातार? आपके पेरेंट्स का बहुत बड़ा रोल इसमें रहा, आपके पिता, आपकी माँ?
Yeah, both my parents are like the biggest source of strength and support for me, and my parents, both of them, made a lot of sacrifices for me to be here from the start. I mean, my father almost my father pretty much quit his job to accompany me to tournaments and to take care of my career. My mom supports me back home when I'm in tournaments. She always is the one who talks to me and tries to motivate me before each and every game. And she's always there for emotional support. Yeah, I mean, my parents, I cannot thank them enough for everything that they have done for me in my career.
तो वो लम्हा जो था ना, जब आप वर्ल्ड चैंपियन बने, आपने हिस्ट्री बनाई, उसके पहले बहुत टेंस रहा होगा वो. उस वक्त आपको ये जाहिर है आप उस विश्वास के साथ गए होंगे जीतने के, लेकिन कहीं कोई डाउट लगा, या जब आप वो जीत गए तो उस मोमेंट पे आप बड़े कंपोज थे कुछ देर के लिए. तो कैसे आप इतनी सारी खुशी, इतना वो ड्रीम जिसको आप चेज कर रहे थे वो हासिल हुआ आपको, तो कितना उस समय विश्वास था आपको कि ये हो जाएगा?
Yeah, throughout the match, although the stress and doubts were always there, because the stakes were very high and like there's always some amount of uncertainty. But deep down, I think I always believed that somehow, one way or another, I will be able to pull through. And I think my faith in God has also helped me a lot in many of the situations. In some games, I just felt like I'll just go there, do my job, and God will take care of this. So I think these moments were like
गुकेश वापस आने के बाद हाउ हैज इट बीन? आपको चेन्नई में वेलकम, इतना फेलिसिटेट किया गया, चीफ मिनिस्टर स्टालिन ने आपको रिवॉर्ड किया, इतनी भारी भीड़, आपने रोड शो किया, हजार लोग वहाँ पर थे. किस तरह का एक्सपीरियंस रहा? हाउ हैज इट बीन? इट मस्ट हैव बीन ओवरवेलमिंग. तो इतने सारे फैंस, चाहने वाले, सब लोग आपकी ओर देख रहे हैं.
Yeah, it was very good. I mean, the support from Tamil Nadu government and the Indian government is very important for me in my career. It was nice to see all the fans and all the officials taking this road show, and everything was very nice.
अब मेरे साथ मेरे सहयोगी विमल मोहन जुड़ गए, हमारे स्पोर्ट्स एडिटर। विमल भी हमारे साथ हैं। विमल सवाल पूछेंगे, पर गुकेश मैं एक सवाल आपसे और पूछना चाहती हूँ। मैं पढ़ रही थी कि भारत में जो चेस ग्रैंड मास्टर्स हुए हैं शायद 85, बट इज इट जस्ट अ कोइंसिडेंस कि 31 जो है वो तमिलनाडु से है? व्हाट इज इट अबाउट तमिलनाडु? ऐसा क्या खास है तमिलनाडु में और चेस में?
I think it's not a coincidence because Vishy sir is from Tamil Nadu, Chennai, and he created this kind of uh, interest in chess in both India and especially in Chennai, and yeah, there are a lot of support system, the government, the trainers, and yeah, the chess community in Tamil Nadu and Chennai is something that I'm quite happy about.
विमल भी हमारे साथ हैं। विमल, आप सवाल पूछना चाहेंगे डी गुकेश से?
बिल्कुल गुकेश, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर टॉकिंग टू अस, एंड दिस इज फर्स्ट टेलीविजन इंटरव्यू ऑफ योर्स जिसका हमने काफी वेट किया। आपको याद होगा आप दिल्ली में एक टूर्नामेंट खेल रहे थे, दिल्ली जब आप 12 साल के थे, ग्रैंड मास्टर सेकंड यंगेस्ट ग्रैंड मास्टर मिले थे। मैं आपसे आपके पेरेंट्स वगैरह से मिला था 5-6 साल पहले। तब में और अब में कितना फर्क आया? बिकॉज हमने जो देखा है, गुकेश का स्वैग देखा है, वाज स्पीकिंग टू वंतिका एंड शी सेड दैट यू आर नॉटी आल्सो।
I'm sorry, I couldn't really hear you.
I mean, we met 6 years back when you were in Delhi and you were playing a Delhi tournament. And from there to now, I mean, we see a kind of swag in your character. And Vantika, your friend, was saying that you are naughty one.
Yeah, I think in 19 in Delhi, I was quite young, and yeah, a lot of things I have improved about myself. And I think this journey has been quite nice.
And Gukesh, you were trained with Paddy Upton, who trained 2011 World Cup champion also and Olympic champion. What did physically he ask? I mean, what did he ask you to do physically and mentally?
Yeah, work with Paddy has been very important for me. He helped a lot in my emotional, physical, and mental preparation for the match. And yeah, there were a lot of suggestions, there were a lot of conversations which I gained a lot from, and it certainly helped in a huge part for the match.
Just one question more from me, Gukesh. We have seen that during your tournament in Singapore, you were bringing phenomenal crowd, which is, I mean, phenomenal thing for chess. I mean, do you think the golden generation has changed the mindset of India towards chess?
Yeah, I think in India, chess has become very popular, and I'm very happy about that in the recent years. And I could see a lot of kids taking interest in the game, a lot of parents and coaches doing a great job, and I'm very happy to have been a part of this revolution in chess in India, and I hope it grows and we become stronger and stronger day by day.
Nagmaji, just one more question. Nagmaji, just one more question.
Yes,
He
ji.
follows Dhoni. I mean, what is the similarity between you and Dhoni, MS Dhoni?
First of all, I'm a huge fan of Dhoni, sir, and just being compared with him is like a huge honor for me. And Dhoni, I think Dhoni sir has this ability to stay calm under pressure, and I think I'm also quite good at that. So yeah, I'm very happy to have the similarities. Yes.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Nagmaji.
You're a huge fan of MS Dhoni,
Thank you.
and Gukesh, you have yourself been quite a crowd puller. You said you're very happy how chess is gaining popularity, और आपकी जीत के बाद तो और ज़्यादा। At 18 you are the world chess champion. तो युवाओं में एक नया जोश है. It is really good for this game. How do you see the future of chess in India now?
Yeah, I'm very happy that this World Championship win has created this chess boom. I mean, has helped this chess boom, and I think the future of chess in India is quite bright. There are a lot of players. There are a lot of support from the government. There are a lot of sports enthusiasts and sponsors coming in, and I hope it grows as much as possible.
एक सवाल आपके लिए चेस से थोड़ा हटकर, चेस आपका फेवरेट गेम है, इट्स योर फर्स्ट लव, बट व्हाट डू यू डू अदर देन चेस? चेस के अलावा क्या पसंद है आपको?
A lot of things, mainly some sports, reading, and stuff like that. But yeah, thank you. It has been great fun.
Yes, and other than staying at the top, जो आपका टारगेट होगा कि टॉप पे बने रहना, how do you see the coming years? What is your target? आपका नॉर्वे चेस टूर्नामेंट भी शायद अगले साल होना है अभी.
Yeah, there are a lot of tournaments coming up, and I'm quite excited for it. I will try to work hard and try to improve myself. The journey has just begun, and I think it's going to be a very long and enjoyable journey. And yeah, my goal has to always become the best player in the world, and I will put in all my effort for this goal.
Absolutely.
Okay, thank you.
सफर की अभी शुरुआत हुई है. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका डी गुकेश, हमारे साथ बात करने के लिए, एनडीटीवी के साथ के खास बातचीत के लिए बहुत धन्यवाद आपका, एंड ऑल द बेस्ट.